Huijak koktwmani bisingtwi Teliamura naimwthangrokni naimwthangrok Trisabari amchaini 5 lakh rangmari ni brown sugar khobwi khorokni no romkha NDPS raidarogui o khorokni no koksil chamung boti sajakha sawi mankha o khorokni dibayon gopai oporjin post puro langnani bagui jaitok jakne borokni tokthai mohanpur post para.
I received an information from my secret source that two persons are loitering around the area of Teliamura railway station around this Trisabari. Accordingly, we went to the spot and we apprehended two persons, and we recovered 10 showcase in which suspected heroin are stored. And the market value of the contraband item is around 5 lakhs. We have arrested two persons. The name of one person is addressed Ghost, residents of Ghostpada, Sidai Mohanpur, and the other one is Defiant Go. He is also from Ghostpada, Sidai Mohanpur.